5 hours.
Oh, we're pushing back. That was fast.
I was really scared that I was going to get hit by the plane.
You mean the wing that's like 6 feet above your head?
By like can you stand under the plane?
Yeah. Look
Is it too short?
No, you can stand it. Oh, there goes the engine.
I had a dream that we were standing under a plane. It was so weird. It was actually really cool though.
Oh yeah? No, we do driving. We already established that.
My ears better not pop.
Like a book on tape. Cameron's going to read to us. Play.
Everybody goes to sleep.
You hear that engine?
What do you normally do?
You go like this?
Ladies and gentlemen, we could have your attention for just a moment. We'd like to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737-700. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. To release, lift up on the buckle. Your seatbelt should be worn tight and low across the hips at any time you are seated. This aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 rear exit doors. Signs overhead and lights on the floor will lead to exits. A safety information card is located in the seatback pocket in front of you.
That's like real now.
In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull too tight. Once outside the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. At this time, we are coming by to check that your seatbelts are fastened. Seat backs and tray tables are in their full, upright, and locked position.
Just keep it visible.
All of your carry-on items are stowed. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted pack cards, and crew member instructions regarding seatbelts and smoking.
There go the flappies.
If we ever get into like a crash, I'm gonna tighten this thing so hard.
So hard.
I'm gonna hit you in the face with it. 'Cause that's what friends are for.
If needed, 4
that's what our plane looks like.
From the compartment overhead. To activate the blow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue to wear the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you are traveling with children or someone in
I love this part. This is like one of my favorite parts of the whole flight.
We'd like to thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your 2 hours.
45 minutes.
44-minute flight into Tampa.
They stink at this. Every time they say
He said it like 3 times.
45 minutes.
2 hours. And 45 minutes. Wait for it.
I'm sorry, I want to see
The wheels on the plane go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the plane go round and round on the taxiway.
I feel like we're flying.
We're not. You'll know when you're flying. You'll get slammed back in your seat.
That's true. You'll drop your video camera.
No, I'm braced.
That's so cool with the sun glistening on it.
Yeah, you see the water? You've been cleared for departure. Enjoy the flight. You better hurry, honey.
You better hurry. I've never done this before. It's like a hand warmer. Do the masks go?
We've been cleared for departure.
Yeah.
Enjoy your flight.
Yay!
We're going to dim the cabin lights. If you do need additional lights to read, look above you.
You know why they do that?
The bigger the light
So
bulb
they
on
can
it.
send all the power to the engine to get us up in the air.
That makes sense. I like them dim.
It's fairly dimmed now.
It's more cozy dim. Are they going to turn it on once we get in the air?
We'll turn on some. It'll be pretty bright though, from sunlight, so. Here we go. We're turning left.
What's the name of the book? 100 Ways to
What card you guys bring?
Page we've read so far. It's been free. It's crazy because your life being crazy and how you create that. It's not life.
I hate my voice on video cameras.
We create
Same. Alright, here we go. We're pulling on the
Listen
runway.
to that and it's going to
Oh, thank you.
oh god.
Here we go. Stop! That's the plane American Pharaoh was on. Yeah, that white plane over there.
Did you get it in your video?
Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And we're off the ground. Yeah, there's Schenectady Airport.
Down there. Freeman, Granton.
We're gonna go through some clouds pretty soon.
Rexford. I always forget the name of it.
Oh, we're in the cloud now. We're now turning in the cloud. Whoa, that's so cool. It's like Soarin', Mom. Da da da. Just play the music.
Wi-Fi aircraft. If you do need assistance in hooking up to the Wi-Fi, you can find the information in the back of your Southwest magazine. We have 2 lavatories on board, one in the front, one in the back. We ask that you never stand or form a line in the forward galley area. This means if the forward lavatory is occupied, we ask that you wait at your seat or use the back lavatory. We also ask that while the fasten seatbelt sign is on, you always remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.